in today's video, I'm gonna show you how can you click your pictures and make them look kick-ass without using a tripod, and you can click these pictures at home with the things that you already have in your home, like a sofa or a window, and they're gonna turn out kick-ass. And you can upload it on all your social media and they look super aesthetic. And I'm also gonna tell you how can you do some jugaad and create something really nice. And yeah, without further talking, I think we should just start with the video. So for my first location, I've picked up this wall. मतलब I have selected this wall. So हम सबके घर में एक इंटरेस्टिंग सी वॉल होती है. सो आई हैव दिस वॉल. सो मैंने सिंपल सी आउटफिट पहनी है, लाइक दिस वाइट टॉप एंड दिस ब्लू जीन्स. सो आई थिंक इट विल गो विद द कॉन्ट्रास्ट विद दिस वॉल. सो आई एम गोना पोज इन फ्रंट ऑफ इट. और यहाँ मेरे पास एक लैपटॉप है एंड आई एम गोना पुट अ फोन in front of it so that मैं इसके सामने पोस्ट करूँगी वॉल के. So now I'm gonna put this phone here on the laptop and I'm gonna keep my phone on self timer and I'm gonna pause. So don't try hard with posing. Play with your hands, with your hair, and keep it as natural as it possible. Also चेंज योर कैमरा एंगल्स बिकॉज उससे ना बहुत डिफरेंट एंगल ट्राई करने से ना थोड़ा अलग टाइप के पिक्चर्स आते हैं एंड इट विल बी ईजी फॉर यू टू फिगर आउट विच इज़ वर्किंग बेस्ट फॉर यू. And finally, this is what came out, and I think these are really cool pictures. Let me know in the comment what do you think about these pictures. So for my next location, I have this cupboard. मुझे ना इस फ्लास्क के साथ पोज करना है. आई एम यूजिंग अ प्रॉप. सो आई हैव प्लेस माई लैपटॉप और उसके आगे मेरा फ़ोन है एंड आई हैव अ स्टूल राइट हियर. सो आई एम गोना पोज लाइक दिस एंड आई एम गोना पोज विद दीज फ्लावर्स. So when you have a prop, you need to make sure to make a connection with it. I mean, it should blend properly और वो odd ना लगे and it should come out as one. Like बहुत अलग सा नहीं लगना चाहिए, बहुत ही blended लगना चाहिए. And I have taken close-up shots in this one and I'm really impressed how these pictures came out so beautifully in the end. So for this next photo, I'm gonna use this location. I'm gonna use this sofa, this white wall, and this table right here. So I have kept this tomato and bowl as my tripod on the top of this table, and I'm gonna place my phone on this, and yeah, and I'm gonna click the photo. Because this time I have sofa on one side, so I have tried leaning on it and थोड़ा again hand के साथ hair के साथ play किया है. And one more thing, try to be comfortable while posing and also try to give some different expressions because expressions add so much to your photo. It looks more aesthetic and this is what I think. And these are some photos and I literally love these. I mean, no one can tell I have took these pictures on my own and at my home. So for my next place, we all have like this kind of window in a house. ये थोड़ी अलग है, maybe आपके घर में थोड़ी अलग होगी. But we are going to make use out of this. I'm gonna open this window and I'm gonna place my phone here, like in this gap right here, and I'm gonna place my phone like this and I'm gonna go out. और इससे ना एक बहुत ही cinematic type की photo आएगी and I really want that. And also one more thing, if you are doing like this kind of shoot, what you need to make sure that the lighting should be soft. So do it in the morning, like 7 or 8, or maybe in the evening. That will be like perfect for this. And yeah, let's get start with this. So if you are planning to do a photo shoot at home, I would highly recommend you guys to एक विंडो पे जहाँ पे अच्छी सनलाइट आती हो. यू शुड डू दिस काइंड ऑफ फोटो शूट बिकॉज विंडो पे बहुत अच्छी लाइट आती है एंड दीज बार्स they come so perfect as a composition in total. And I'm really shook like how these photos look super bomb and aesthetic. I'm using this word a lot and OMG, I just love it. So next I'm gonna use my phone and I'm gonna keep it inside the fridge. इसके लिए घर पे बहुत डांट पड़ सकती है but it's okay. Just for a photo. So I'm gonna keep it inside. With the help of one tomato and bowl, I have placed my phone. Now I'm gonna click some pictures and I'm gonna close this door like this and I'm gonna click some pictures now. So I know this might sound little weird to a lot of guys कि मैं फ्रिज के अंदर फ़ोन रख के फ़ोटो खींच रही हूँ, but let me tell you guys, you know, when you will click the picture you will realize एक जो रेड सी लाइट आती है ना, you know, on your face, because फ्रिज के अंदर जो लाइटिंग होती है that falls on your face and it gives like a red kind of effect that just looks so good. And again, for the posing I will suggest you to keep it as natural as possible, because जितना simple और natural लगता है outcome is gonna look amazing. And in the end these picture look so, you know, natural, and I love how these pictures came out in the end, and this red effect on the photo, I really loved it. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe, because we put a lot of effort. So please consider subscribing to our channel, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.